US President Donald Trump has confirmed an exchange of fire between American and Iranian naval forces in the Strait of Hormuz, despite the ongoing ceasefire arrangement between the two countries. Trump stated that 3 US Navy destroyers safely crossed the strategic waterway even after coming under attack. In a post on Truth Social, Trump claimed the destroyers completed their transit very successfully and said no damage was caused to the American vessels. However, he alleged that Iranian attackers suffered heavy losses during the confrontation. What triggered the clash? The escalation followed claims by Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy that US naval forces had earlier targeted an Iranian oil tanker identified as MT Hasna near Jask port in southern Iran. According to Iran, the tanker came under fire during the ongoing American naval blockade in the region. The IRGC Navy further claimed that it launched anti-ship ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and suicide drones targeting US destroyers in retaliation. Iranian authorities alleged that the American ships sustained major damage and later retreated from the Strait of Hormuz. Trump warns of stronger action. Trump rejected Iran's claims and asserted that all missiles and drones fired at the destroyers were intercepted. He also claimed that several Iranian naval boats were destroyed during the exchange. The US president described Iran's leadership in harsh terms and warned of tougher retaliation if tensions continue to rise. Trump stated that the American destroyers would now return to the ongoing naval blockade operation, which he described as a wall of steel. He further warned that Iran would face more forceful action in the future if it failed to quickly agree to a deal with the United States.